Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make margarita at home. Start by chilling your glass, then measure 2 Oz tequila, 1 Oz triple sec, and 1 Oz fresh lime juice into a shaker with ice. Add a pinch of salt or a splash of agave if you prefer it sweeter. Shake until cold. Rim the glass with lime and salt, strain over fresh ice, and garnish with a lime wheel. Choose quality ingredients and a simple approach for the best margarita. Use fresh lime juice and a good 40% ABV tequila, plus 1 ounce of orange liqueur. Adjust sweetness slowly with agave or simple syrup, tasting between additions until balanced. Use a proper shaker with plenty of ice so the drink chills and dilutes correctly, then strain into a chilled glass and finish with a lime wheel or salt rim. Avoid common mistakes to keep flavors clean and balanced. Fresh citrus and a decent tequila matter more than fancy additives, so don't hide subpar spirits with too much sugar. Shake just long enough to chill and slightly dilute, and for on the rocks, serve over large ice to preserve flavor. If you prefer frozen, blend with enough ice, but use short pulses to prevent an overly slushy, watered-down result.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.